Oregon State Credit Union can do for you. Federally insured by the NCUA, Oregon State Credit is an equal housing opportunity lender.
Ran into one of our Newburgh Ford customers the other day. Hard worker, runs a good company, buys Ford trucks for his crews, and recently upgraded to the new F-150 Super Crew Platinum for himself. He tells me he's owned BMWs and Porsches, but he's gotten more comments about his new F-150 than anything he's ever driven. Loves the interior, the twin panel monitor, and especially how it drives.
Pick something out to feature in this kosher for Passover.
Fans start here. The OSU Beaver Store has you covered for baseball season with our best deal of the season. Our exclusive 2016 Game Day Tee. Wear your Game Day Tee in any of our stores on any home game day and receive 20% off any one Beaver gear item. Check out our entire selection of officially licensed baseball gear in any of our 4 retail locations or online at OSUBeaverStore.com. Go Beavs!
This is Sean George of George Packing Company, the nation's largest hazelnut processor. We thank Oregon State University for their help saving